In this video, I'll show you how to edit password page on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over in here to your Shopify dashboard, then click in here on your customize option. Once you have done that, this will open in here your Shopify editor. So click on this home page right above here and then scroll down and look for the password option. If you can't see it, you can actually just search in here in order to see it. So let's click on it. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here your store opening soon password. So you can click on this right here and you can edit out the heading. So for example, let's say something like get notified on our opening. Tapos you can also just try to change this one. Like for example, you can change it like on the text itself or to the text style that you have right here. And under here, you can also see the email and you can see that they have no customizable option for this, but you can remove it if you want. Then you can click on this whole sign up banner and you can change the email sign up banner itself. So you can click on the select image right here and you can select the image that you want added. So for example, let's add this one. And then as you can see, this will change the banner for this. So you can also edit out this, like for example, the image overlay capacity and all of these things right here, as well as the banner height that you have right here. Then once you have done that, head over and save your progress. But you can see also that they have this enter using password. So when you click on this part, you can see that you have this password header. And when you click on this, you can see your enter store using password. So you can head over and then edit out the things that you have seen here, like for example, the color scheme and all of these things as well that you have on this one. So as you can see, it has changed. You can also add here some theme settings as well as the custom CSS that you want. So head over and save this progress, and then after that, you should be get go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.